mining their own mines for economic benefit rather than mining the resources in the soil, which is what the Russians are doing. And they haven't taken a lot of time or effort to look towards green technology or even diversifying away from energy exports in general.
Two quick questions, but they're both very big. You're Vladimir Putin, and you're giving President-elect Obama some advice on how to turn our economy around. What would you say? And the second question is, what would you, Andrew Kramer, say?
Я бы сказал, господин Обама, обязательно надо купить больше газ и нефть из России. Sorry, I'll explain to you in Russian. No, I think that Putin would most likely advise he would not be in a mood to advise the U.S. on something that would strengthen the United States. He's very nationalistic. And I think that he would be concerned by efforts to diversify into green energy, into independence from energy imports, and wouldn't likely advise him openly. But this is really what Russia would be worried about: is if large energy consumers like the United States indeed diversified away from oil. This would be a blow to their country, a blow to Saudi Arabia, a blow to some of the other oil exporting countries.
So the United States dependency on oil has codependency in Russia and Saudi Arabia and all the other areas. So that's one of the reasons that we may not be seeing a lot of energy independence, is because there's such, talk about GM having ripple effects if it goes out of business. If the oil industry goes out of business, does that mean the world goes out of business? Do we have a world bankruptcy? And
we didn't get to hardly anything I wanted to cover today. I have today's AP Wire on world recession fears. On world Great Depression fears. This is today's AP Wire.
John, you know what I think we're going to do after we're off with our hour on KZYX here? We have 3 more minutes. I think we're going to keep recording. We're going to post this all on Ukiah Valley TV.
Right.
Since we have Andrew direct from Russia here, we're going to do a whole nother hour and post that exclusively on UkiahValley.tv.
There's just so much content, and you're such a resource. I want to, we haven't said goodbye to you yet, but before we go, what a remarkable resource to have somebody who's sitting this close to me, who was also sitting this close to Putin or, a bunch of other Russian heavyweights. I want to thank you so much for being here. But before we sign off, and I want to thank you formally with a gift from one of our local resources here, our Wonders of the World, City of 10,000 Buddhas. I give you that gift. I want to follow up on that question. Would Putin's advice be so monopolized on the subject of oil? Would he have any other advice? Would he have our whole diplomatic relationship with Georgia and South Odessia and the Caspian Sea and all those huge natural resources? I'm going to give you 1 minute to answer that question. Would he say anything other than talk about oil?
I think he would. I think that his advice would be both self-serving and but nonetheless might be worth listening to. And I think his advice would be that the U.S. should concentrate or should be open to a multipolar world, which is their way of saying that other countries should be allowed to play a larger role in the security arrangements and the economic arrangements in our world. And take some of the burden off of the U.S. people, the U.S. taxpayer.
Right on. We'll cut off there for our audience today here at KZYX.
Do you want to wrap it up? I think we have about 1 more minute.
We have 1 minute. Just a couple of housekeeping items. Wanted to make listeners aware that my article in this week's issue at the North Bay Bohemian, which you could pick up anywhere.
Yeah, you're giving stock advice now, John. We said we wouldn't do that.
I was asked to give some advice. I had readers by the hundreds asking me, you're Mr. Genius. Why don't you tell us how to invest in these economic times, in these tough economic times? So
altweeklies.com?
Altweeklies.com or the bohemian.com or just pick up a copy of the Bohemian.
You list of about 10 great investment tips.
All income producing, I might add, with big dividends. So check out the North Bay Bohemian. Finally, I want to give you this gift. It's from the City of 10,000 Buddhas. It's a CD of the children's choir singing the Heart Mantra. I want to remind our listeners,
Thank you.
And also maybe we can take you there later tomorrow but the City of 10,000 Buddhas is having a Respect Your Elders Day tomorrow. Wonderful resource here in town. Thank you very much for being on the show.
My pleasure.
Thanks very much. It's Truth About Money with Jay Johnson, John Sakowicz. You can see us at ukiahvalley.tv live, and we'll be in the KZOX in 2 weeks again. And thanks, Andrew Kramer, for being here today.
Thank you for listening.
Bye-bye.